What do I have to do to make you love me? Love me.
What is up, YouTube? It is Be So Fitted. I am back and I am better than ever, and I'm here to bring you an unboxing video on the Nike Air Fear of God 1 sale. Let's get into it. Here we got a big ass orange box, and it says Fear of God. It's very faint. I'm not even gonna bother showing you guys. If you guys had it in hand, you guys would know what I'm talking about. But let's get into the unboxing. And later on in the video, I'll show you guys a couple of outfits that I would throw on personally with this pair of shoes. Now let's get into it. Here we got the Nike tote bag, maybe to put your shoes in for future use. And each shoe is individually wrapped in this tinfoil-like bag. And this is how each shoe comes. Very nice, very nice. And I bought these shoes over at GOAT because I currently cannot buy things from StockX at the moment. I will get into that later. But we got the GOAT sticker. And GOAT's actually using a new system. So I'll show you guys real quick. Right here, you got the GOAT card. And then right here, to prove that it's GOAT verified, it is hole punched each category. Each specialist hole punches these categories just to show that they're checking everything, just to make sure that it is authentic. Real quick, I'll give you guys an up close look at the shoes. They're a little bit dirty because I was trying them on earlier. Throwing on some outfits for you guys. Now, my thoughts on the shoe. About 3 or 4 weeks ago, I had already purchased the Air Fear of God Orange Pulse because I love shoes that stand out and pop because I love being different. But the thing with these, the silhouette on its own is already so unique that it just turns heads without even trying. So with a neutral color like this, it doesn't even matter because it's already so unique. And when I saw the price of these drop to damn near the same price as the Orange Pulse, I sold the orange ones and got these. My intention was to pick up the yellow pair that dropped within the last week, but I had no idea it even dropped, so apparently I missed out on that. But you know what, I'm not even mad because I do like these white ones a whole lot. I love my new moon boots, baby. But I feel with a shoe like these, you gotta stay super neutral in terms of the colors. That way you can throw it on with any outfit because the silhouette on its own is already a standout. These are definitely not a shoe that I would grab and go because they're actually pretty hard to put on. You have to slip your foot in, and with me, I try not to crease my shit as much as possible. So it takes me a solid 30 seconds just to put on as opposed to your average slip-on shoe. The materials are really nice and really clean. The toe box right here is made of some kind of suede, so one step and you're done. So I definitely do recommend being extra careful whenever you throw these on. No, do not risk wearing these in the rain, and I would not recommend wearing these around school either. These are a shoe I would wear around the mall, going to church, to your average hangout brunches or lunches / dinners. And in my opinion, I feel like Nike designed these shoes for slim / skinny people because whenever I throw these on, I feel like they're really wrapped around me and I'm a pretty slim person. So I don't know how it would look or feel on bigger people, but that's just my opinion on that. Now my final thoughts on the shoe. If you do plan on getting these, get them ASAP while the prices are extremely low. Retail on these is $350, after tax in California is $380, and I ended up paying around $425 for them, so that is around $45 on top of retail, which is not bad at all. This shoe is just a complete standout, and whenever you throw these on, people will know what's up. In my opinion, these are really like a subtle flex shoe. Nike did really do something with these Fear of Gods, and I just love the idea behind it. The most I would pay for these would have to be no more than $500, and that already is pretty steep. I do not recommend spending more than that. But yeah, these shoes are completely slept on, so if you do plan on getting a pair, get them as soon as possible, everyone. But yeah, those are my thoughts on the shoes. Now let's get into some of the certain outfits that I would rock with these on. Let's get into it.
That's the type I like. That's the type I like. That's the type of I like. That's the type I like. That's the type I like. Dime a dozen. Traffic. Yeah. EOM on the beat. New school kid with a no soul. Shoes should be saddle, hair should be so low. Or even further back, old school 4 rows Cadillac came me down the throwback Volvo.
And here we got the complete denim on denim look. We got the Tommy Hilfiger denim jacket with the PacSun jeans and the polo hooded thermal. Super casual. This is an outfit I throw on in the winter time when it's a little bit colder. And I'm just casually chilling out at the mall.
And bring it back to you. If only people is the crew. Traffic of dimes, phone tag with your mom's coward. They don't understand my style. They tell me that I'm stuck in the past. There ain't nothing wrong with it now. I just want that old thing back. We some fly young gentlemen. I'm a fly young gentleman.
And then here we got the all white look going on. I mean, I don't really know when I would wear this exact outfit, but I guess I would wear this when I'm like trying to sauce casually at a formal event. I don't even know when the hell that would even happen, but yeah, this is something I would really throw on. And honestly, this seems like an outfit I would wear when I'm in heaven. I just pull up and be like, yo, God, please bless your boy with the Hypebeast care package. And I feel like this is something he'd come up with. And I threw on the backpack to kind of show you guys how it would look if I wore this to school. And in my first video showing the off-white backpack and the MCM one, it was pretty shitty quality. And I do know that now. But it's better now because I'm using my phone, it's a lot easier, so.
Ain't nothing wrong with it now. I just want that old thing back. We some fly young gentlemen. I'm a fly young gentleman. We some fly young gentlemen. I'm a fly young gentleman. I'm in the Facebook poke war with Sarah Palin. I think that old wine is fine, know what I'm saying? These immature chicks like immature players.
Alright, now this is an outfit that I would casually just throw on if I was just chilling at the mall, hanging out with some friends and family. With the black pants, hoodie season with the hat. You got the Supreme hoodie. So with these shoes, it's nice because you can throw on a completely plain outfit with a splash of color. So this would be my color block right here. And real quick, I'll show you guys what it looks like with a coat thrown on top. Now this is what the outfit would look like with a coat on top. This is my Obey Coach's jacket with the hood, and it is elongated, meant to be worn in the rain. And I think this is just the perfect cherry on top. Because if your outfit's looking pretty plain, you're just chilling out, but this just adds that much flavor to it. I think it looks really clean. So yeah, I would wear this outfit if I'm just chilling out at the mall casually. I would not wear this particular outfit in the rain, especially these shoes because they will get ruined, guaranteed. Wouldn't be the smartest choice.
Fly young gentleman. I'm a fly young gentleman. Fly young.
Alright, and here we're Nike'd out with the Tech Fleece gear. We got the all black Tech Fleece pants with the Tech Fleece hoodie. And then we got the Nike dad hat going on upstairs. Now here, with this outfit, it's super neutral downstairs with a splash of color upstairs. And with any outfit you guys throw on, I definitely recommend throwing a hint or a splash of color. Just kind of add a little pop to it, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is my Nike tracksuit outfit. And yeah, I'll throw on this outfit after like a basketball game or after the gym. I'm just chilling out, but I want to look somewhat presentable and nice. So yeah, I would throw this on. Let's say we're just chilling out at the mall after a function. Super comfy and casual. Alright guys, that is the end of my video. That is my unboxing / review on the Nike Air Fear of God 1 sales. I hope my video was both enjoyable and helpful. And if it was, please give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe, and follow my social media down below in the description. But yeah man, till next time, it is Be So Fitted signing out. Only way is up. We out.
You and me just grooving to the beat so fluently, even my crew can see that I never ever felt this so new to me. So I'm clinging to your waist like that Louis V. It's like a scene that's so cliche, so meant to be, it's the only way. So say goodbye to them lonely days. Now we on cloud 9, let's float away.